So why get married if the odds are against you? It's terrifying to put all that trust in someone when the chances of it working out are like 1 in 2. It's better just not to get married at all. But I've got good news. It is no longer true that 1 in 2 marriages end in divorce. The divorce rate has actually been dropping for the past 3 decades. And today it's estimated that anywhere from 2/3 to a full 3/4 of marriages are going to last forever. Hi, I'm Amy Waterman, a dating and relationship expert with yourbrilliance.com. And in this video series, I give you the short answer to love's biggest questions. So what are the chances that you're going to get divorced? Well, your odds are better than you think. Here are 5 factors that impact the statistical likelihood of your marriage lasting. Number 1, is this the first marriage for both of you? The risk of divorce goes up 75% for second or third marriages. Number 2, do you have a college degree? Crazily enough, education plays a huge factor in divorce rates. 90% of college-educated couples who married in the early 2000s were still married 7 years later. But for folks without a college degree, those divorce rates still remain pretty high. Number 3, do you earn enough money to live on? Poverty and financial instability is really, really hard on a marriage. If your guy loses his job or you can't afford the rent, the stress can break your marriage apart. Number 4, how old are you? So couples who marry in their late 20s and early 30s do better than couples who marry in their teens or a lot later in life. And number 5, are you committed? If you're going into your marriage with a thought that it might not work out, your fears can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Yes, it's scary to jump in with both feet, but total commitment gives you the courage to find a way to make it work when times get tough. There's one last thing you should know. Even if you have risk factors for divorce, it does not mean you're going to get divorced. Any more than having risk factors for cancer means you're definitely going to get cancer. Knowing that you may have a slightly higher risk of divorce is simply a reminder. You may have to work harder at your marriage than other people, but that work can make your marriage better than anyone else's, even the lucky ones. For more tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any questions you'd like me to answer, let me know in the comments. See you next time.